What's up, y'all? This your man Bobby Washington. This video is gonna be a great video. Something I just discovered after using the Mac for over 15 years. They have this thing called the AUTOMATOR. It's like a little mini app within the Mac ecosystem, meaning you can actually make your own apps to do quick tasks. Like, for instance, if I want to rename all of these files, these .mp4 files, I can change the MP4 to MOV, right? And I want to do that because inside of this Adobe Premiere program, that's how it reads these files from the film that I started editing. So I shot a feature film that's on Tubi. You can check it out. It's called Seven Roses, and this is the Seven Roses file. And basically, I realized later that the files are too big and they're like taking up too much space on my external hard drives. So I'm like, why are my files so big? It's because I was exporting as ProRes within, my editing grading and color grading. When I go between DaVinci and Premiere, I would make big files and I didn't have to. I can just do simple files like H.264, keep them at a smaller size, and it'd be better. So enough of that. But I'm going to show you how to do the AUTOMATOR and make quick tasks, real fast. Watch this. So basically, you go to the Spotlight and you search AUTOMATOR. 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 Right there. And this pops up. You want to select Application. You want to press Choose. Then you want to search what your tasks, what tasks you wanted to have, right? You got so many different ones. Burn to a disk. I mean, there's so many you can do in here, right? I'm just going to put File. I'm going to type File. I'm sorry. I'm going to type Rename. Rename. My spelling is off today. Okay, rename. So I want to double click on rename file in items in Finder. Press don't add. Now it makes this box. Now this is a prompt. It's going to do what you tell it to do. So you open up this at time of date. I'm going to put replace text. The same thing I would do if I was to right click here and go to rename. I'll go replace text. The same thing here. But that's doing it one at a time. I don't want to do that, right? I want to do it like this. So basically I'll press find. Everything that says .mp4, or if it's a letter or word, you can put that, .mp4, and you can replace it with .mov. Because again, when I open up these files, if I keep this MP4, it's not going to recognize these files. It's going to make me relink them one by one. It's about, 51 files here. I don't want to do that. So I'll press that, and then I'm going to press Enter. I'm going to press Save at the top. File, Save on my desktop. And I'm going to call it Renamer, which I've already done it over here. So when I press Renamer App, and I press Save, I'm not going to do it again because I already have it here saved, right? It's going to come on my desktop. Let me press Delete this as this Renamer app right here, okay? That's the one right there, okay? So how would I get these files to change? Watch, right in front of your eyes. I'm going to touch all these files. Watch the MP4 change to MOV when I drag them all over to that app. Boom. They're going to start changing. Watch. Look, already changing. Look at that. MOVs. They're done. My job is done. That's it. And I would do that, with all my files. So what I'm doing again is I'm converting, let's say these files here, I'm converting these color files. These files are huge. See, 1 gigabyte for one file. I want to turn them into 264s, and I put them in that folder right there. So I use this conversion thing to convert them from MOVs to MP4s. And then I drag them back over here to bring them back to MOVs because they recognize MOVs in my Premiere program. And that's why I'm doing that. All right, hope this video helps. Please subscribe, leave a comment if you have a question. All right, or just leave a comment to say that you like the video or dislike the video. Hope you like it, though. All right, peace.